Hello all. Thank you for the love and support you showed to us for such long time for the past 8 years. And as all of them have asked for Gadwal silk saree video. So today we are going to post on the first day of our showroom Gadwal silk sarees just for you. All these sarees are available in the website. So this is first saree. It's 14,500. Mango yellow with pink with paisley border. Korvai, it is called silk cooped border. Gadwal silk saree with micro check. This is the pallu of the saree. I don't want to open it to unfold the saree. This is the pallu of the saree. The saree has a plain blouse with a border. This is the saree with small gold booties all over the saree with micro fine checks. This one is mango yellow and pink color. Cost is 14,500. This one is available in the website. Next saree is beach color. It is light brownish beach color with violet border. This is again 14,500. It's pure Gadwal silk. The saree has overall booty all over the body. This is the pallu. Actually, the pallu has beautiful paisley designs all over. This is the pallu. It's a grand pallu. It has a very small green piping here. This is the blouse. The body has a butta, gold butta all over the body. This is saree number 2. This is also available in our website. So saree number 3 from a new collection, Gadwal silk saree collection. This is a beautiful half white with peach border with a diamond design. 16,900. This is a saree. It has checks and gold booties all over the saree. This is also in the website. You can shop directly from the website. This is the pallu. The blouse has also gold booties and stripe all over the blouse. And this is the saree. The saree is full of gold booties. This is saree number 3. So we'll go for saree number 4. Mango yellow with violet border, silk kutu border. It's a gold sheen full jari finish pallu. Blouse is plain. This cost 13,700. The saree has full gold booty. Saree number 5, priced at 15,500. It is a beautiful yellow with black combination. If any black lovers here, shop it first. This is the pallu. Blouse. The whole body has checks and small gold booties. Saree number 6. Many of them have asked the price and want to buy, and this is really a stunner saree. My favorite and very lovely one. Dark green color Gadwal silk saree with pink border. The upper border is smaller than the lower border. Priced at 16,900. This is the pallu of the saree. Whole body has small gold booties. The blouse is fully checked. So if you want to buy this saree, just visit our website. Full body of the saree. Again half white. It's a beautiful white with purple border. Priced at 14,500 with minute micro checks and gold booty. This is the pallu of the sari. Blouse is plain with a border. The whole sari has a small fine gold booties all over the sari with micro checks. Peacock blue. This is really a beautiful collection. Peacock blue with red combination. 16,800. Again, the upper border is smaller than the lower border. It has micro checks and gold booties all over the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. The blouse is again plain in color, plain with the border. It has Annam and Rudram booties all over the body with micro checks. Gadwal, it's a very unique Gadwal silk sari, yellow, like very lemony yellow with the border. The border is like 10 inches or something with a Paithani style. Meenakari work is there with all over gold and silver booty. This is the upper border, and the lower whole pallu has a rich pallu. Blouse again has a booty. Very beautiful sheen is there in the blouse. And this is the whole body of the sari. Mango yellow with violet Gadwal silk sari. Priced at 16,000. Pallu of the sari. The sari is totally plain. Blouse is also plain. And the sari is fully plain with the Korvai border, silk kutu border. And a stunner collection, black with the yellow combination with the green piping with small checks and booties all over the body. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. This is the blouse, yellow blouse. And whole of the sari has the small gold booty. This is a combination, very beautiful black and yellow. If any black lover, please grab this first. And again a black combination Gadwal silk sari. Orange and black, again I love this orange and black. Sunset orange. Border, if you see, this one is bigger than the upper border. This is the pallu of the sari. This is the body of the sari. The blouse, we have to talk about the blouse. It's beautiful polka dot finish. It has a burgundy piping. The last one, dark green with red combination, my favorite one. This one has beautiful pallu. Blouse is plain, and this is the body.